so if you have a lease on a property and it's like a hotel, or maybe you want, maybe it's a strip mall, so you have a lease with an option to buy. The best thing is to do it as a master lease with an option to buy. So you have a master lease on top of the property, meaning you will then be able to operate it, receive the income, and then make the lease payments with the option to purchase at a certain date. So when you're gonna do that, let's say it's a strip mall with 4 tenants, you're gonna sign a master lease, and that's gonna give you the right to receive the rental from the tenants, and the landlord, the owner who is selling the property, will send them a letter saying, we have now a master lease with this property, and you need to make your payment to XYZ LLC. And so now the tenants know that they have to pay that master lessee, who actually now has the option to purchase. So that person is gonna put an actual deposit for the master lease and an option to purchase consideration. So there will be 2 deposits. One, the option is non-refundable deposit. The other is a master lease deposit that should be refundable. And that will give you the cash flow. I did it for a hotel, for instance, having the master lease. I ran the hotel, improved it, spent money on it, and made it nicer. And then I exercised my option at a much better appraisal after that.